Hi everybody. I've got something here that's kind of special, and I hope that you're going to like it as much as I like it. And what the heck am I talking about? It's the Emerson BullShark, our first automatic knife. Now, why is it this size? A couple reasons. Number one, it's legal to carry in California with all its crazy laws. This one's got a 1.9 inch blade on it, so it's totally legal to carry here in California. And I'm willing to bet it's probably legal pretty much everywhere else in the United States. The handle is about 3.450 long, and the overall on this little knife is about 5.4 inches overall. So it's a perfect little pocket companion. And I really like this knife because it's hell for stout. And you know that I like strong things, you know that I like practical things, and you know that I like things that work. So we've got our embossed clip on there. The Emerson is now stamped into the clip, which is a cool feature. I like that a lot. These are fully anodized aluminum handles, and this baby just about jumps out of your hand when you open it up. So it's got a nice powerful spring. It's built to last. I've got a real strong blade design on here so that if you ever had to jab it into something or hit something with it or cut with it, it's going to do all three of those things equally as well. The Emerson BullShark Automatic. It's our first, so I can say right now it's our best. Hopefully there'll be better ones to come down the road, but you'll tell me if you like the Emerson automatic knives. We're going to expand that line and we'll bring more to you. But right now, the Emerson BullShark is going to hit the streets and it's going to take off running.